Mr.
It
President.
was
And what-
actually
what does-
it was actually pre-approved by the good sponsor. I just wanted to put it on record, Mr.
Yes,
President.
of course. What did the sponsor say?
Of course, we accept, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
I'm grateful to the sponsor and I congratulate him for this measure.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Any other amendments? Senator Robin Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo. Para po sa ating bayani ng edukasyon, ito po yung aking mga amendment. On Section 6,
Section
eligibility of proponents.
6. Anong page po yan?
Page 3, line 25.
Okay.
After the number 1991 and a period,
Mhm.
insert a new paragraph to read as follows. Classrooms built under this act shall be considered as zones of peace. The DepEd shall ensure that these classrooms remain as a peaceful and conducive environment to effective learning and teaching. So move, Mr. President.
What does the
Accepted.
sponsor say?
Accepted, Mr. President.
Accepted. Any objection? Senator Cayetano is recognized.
Of course, I support such a worthy amendment. I do have a legislative query. This amendment would technically apply to the classrooms built under the acceleration program. So paano yung ibang classrooms na hindi kasama dito? And you cannot apply it to them because this is a very specific bill. So I don't know how to
Phrase.
resolve that because it's a great amendment, but I'm not sure if this is the proper place. And I do know that there is a policy, if I'm not mistaken, a United Nations policy that makes schools zones of peace, no? So yun lang. And maybe we can ask
Well,
the
the
experts.
way it sounds, it's forward-looking.
Yun nga po. So what happens? So parang na-exclude mo yung mga existing schools. So doon sila pupunta, doon sila gegera. Kasi the idea behind this concept is that you cannot conduct acts of violence there. Like, you know, children are safe there, and perhaps the proponent can expound if he'd like. And we want that to be the case for all schools, not just for the schools that will be covered in this bill, Mr. President.
Yeah, Mr. President, may I make
Yes, Senator Aquino.
a suggestion? Maybe, Mr. President, instead of classrooms built under this act, we can say all classrooms shall be considered as zones of peace.
But then let's also ask the expert, because that may no longer be germane to the subject matter, because this is forward thinking, this is forward looking on the constructions of new classrooms. I don't know if you can insert a provision that applies. So I don't know. Even though I'm a lawyer, I would like to get the expert opinion on this. Kasi we love the proposal, but we want to do it properly, Mr. President. Thank you.
Ginoong Pangulo, opo, maaari po bang makapaglahad
Okay,
lang?
sige po. Senator Padilla.
Ito pong amendment na ito ay nabuo sapagkat marami pong pagkukulang na classroom sa BARM. Yun po ang tinakbo ng ating pag-uusap at yun po ang pinanggalingan ng mungkahi na ito na napatunayan naman po bilang tayo po ay nakipag-coordinate at sumama po sa hearing nitong nung isinagawa po ang hearing ng patungkol po dito sa Classroom Building Acceleration Program, nakita po natin na napakababa po ng eskwelahan namin sa BARM. At kaya po namin naisip ito sapagkat kung ano po yung gagawin ng mga paaralan doon ay iuna na po natin na ipagbawal na muna ang mga madalas po kasi ginagamit ang eskwelahan doon kung saan po nilalagay ang mga military. Cannons po 105, howitzer. Kaya po natin ito inilagak dito. Ngayon, kung nais po natin baguhin yung buong sitwasyon nito, gumawa po tayo ng panibagong batas na sakop lahat. Pero sa ngayon po siguro, dahil nandito na po tayo, wala pong dahilan para hindi natin ilagay ito.
Mr. President, to clarify, I think Senator Cayetano is supporting the amendment and wants to expand the coverage na lahat ng classroom will be zone of peace. Hindi lang yung mabubuo from the cap, no, from this bill. So hindi naman po nagkakataliwas. The question
Yes,
is
that is
really
that is the way I understand the
Yes.
point of Senator Cayetano. She is wondering what we can do with the other classrooms that have already been built and that the proposal is forward-looking. Sinasabi nga, pero what do we do with the rest? So, Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat, Mr. President. In support of the line of discussion between the good sponsor and the gentleman and the lady, ulitin ko lang po yung nabanggit ko sa good sponsor at sa gentleman from BARM and Camarines Norte, yung binanggit ko nung period of interpellation na in fact, adopted na previously ng Department of Education yung Schools as Zones of Peace na global initiative at framework. So kung useful po yon sa sponsor and to the colleagues, pwede naman pong i-work into yon sa language ng bill. Salamat, Mr. President, at sa lahat po ng colleagues.
Mr. President, may I ask for a 1-minute suspension?
Yes, as a matter of fact, while we suspend, will you check whether that should be on section 6 or it should be on section 9? Baka parang mas bagay sa section 9 bis sa section 6. Anyway, di ba? Even the secretariat agrees with me. Anyway, session suspended.